Hi, ladies and gents. Mrs. Bunt and Mrs. Burke here to give a brief overview of what you might need to review for tonight. This is not giving you the answers. It is just concentrating on areas that you should concentrate on.
Let's start with Chapter 1. Most of the information on this test tomorrow will come from Chapter 1. So you've got to remember your key terms: adaptation, variation, evolution, natural selection, speciation,
Isolation.
mutation. I feel like we're that.
Adaptation. Did we say adaptation?
Yes, we did.
Chapter 1.
Yeah.
Oh,
All those terms that are related to Darwin and his study of the finches and the tortoises and how they are all tied together.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be important. Also from Chapter 1, you need to know why certain embryos of two different organisms look alike when they really are not related. You need to know about a fossil record. That is blooper.
I'm just sitting here making faces.
Nice.
While you're talking.
Okay, that's all from Chapter 1. The other thing you need to know are about examples of certain fossils. And then now on to Chapter 2.
Chapter 2. While you are in Chapter 2, you should be very familiar with the chart that is on page 61, as well as, we'll go back, right there, this, as well as the table of information on 62. This is going to give you a breakdown of understanding the difference between a eukaryotic cell, one that has a nucleus, a prokaryotic cell, an organism that has no nucleus. You will also need to go through each of the type of kingdoms and what domain it's located in. You should be very familiar with the characteristics of each of the kingdoms: eukaryotic, prokaryotic, unicellular, multicellular, how they obtain their food, information like that.
The other thing that you are going to need to do on tomorrow's test is you are going to be able to need to use a dichotomous key. So remember, you always start with the first question. Each of the questions only has two choices. So you look at your organism, you figure out which choice goes with your organism, and then you follow the directions that tell you what question to move on to until you identify the organism. That's about it.
That's it. Okay, good luck. Hope you're studying. See you tomorrow.
Adios. Check out the solar eclipse.
Yay.